This weather report brought to you by Bupa. Why wait? Join Bupa today.
Tonight's 7 News headlines. More train strikes on the way. Negotiations between unions and the government go nowhere. Dangerous weather conditions on the way and flood warnings for parts of Sydney this weekend. Tolls increasing across our motorways. Drivers slugged hundreds of dollars more a year. And Anthony Albanese proposes a new start with French President Emmanuel Macron. Sally's here now with the latest on our severe weather. Sal?
Thanks very much for that, Anne. We have a really volatile weather situation unfolding this weekend. We've got the formation of an east coast low off our coast, and these systems can be incredibly dangerous and have the potential to deliver flooding rains. Today, though, just a few showers across the city. That's just the start of things to come. We reached a top of 12 degrees under all that cloud. It's currently 11 at the moment. Temperatures generally were on the low side. That was just due to the bit of rain we saw and, of course, the cloud cover. 12 degrees at Parramatta and also Holsworthy today. Now, at the moment, on the satellite picture, you can see that distinct northwest cloud band stretching across the country at the moment. That's driven all those showers we've seen, particularly along parts of the east coast today. We do have this surface trough just starting to deepen off Sydney tomorrow. That is actually going to be near stationary across the weekend, which isn't great news because when they don't move, that's when we really see that relentless rain driving into the same area day after day. And on top of that, if a low embeds within this system, the amount of rain will be significant. Hundreds of millimetres are forecast, especially through Sydney, the Illawarra, and also creeping into parts of the central tablelands as well. Let's quickly fly around the rest of the country for tomorrow. Brisbane will be affected by this weather system, so they're expecting rain tomorrow, 16 degrees there. The rest of the country looking mostly fine, though. 13 degrees through Melbourne, 14 in Adelaide. Sunny on the west coast in Perth with a top of 19 degrees. Having a closer look at our state for tomorrow, though, the western half of the state, as you can see, won't really be affected, just a bit of cloud cover. It's really going to be right along the coast into the south coast around Bateman's Bay, around 35 millimetres forecast there. Much heavier through the Illawarra, 120 millimetres at Bowrey, 150 at Nowra. Even right up into Byron Bay, we're going to see falls of around 45 millimetres with tops of 17 degrees. Across the Sydney Basin tomorrow, heavy falls are forecast through Cronulla, Liverpool, Penrith and Mascot, around 90 millimetres in there. But really right across the Sydney Basin tomorrow, it will be very wet with hazardous surf also expected along the coast. Speaking of which, let's have a look at the coastal forecast tomorrow. East-southeasterly winds around 30 knots with swell increasing throughout the day. For the city tomorrow, around 60 millimetres in the gauges with a very cool top of 17 degrees. Sunday is going to be the big concern though. That's where you'll see that rain rapidly intensify. 150 millimetres right across the board. Even into Monday, still really heavy falls. It's really not going to start to abate until we head towards pretty much Wednesday, Thursday. So a very intense few days ahead, Anne.
All right, Sal, thank you very much for the warnings. That's 7 News for this Friday. We'll have updates for you throughout the evening. I'm Anne Sanders. From all the team, thanks for joining us. Have a great night.